Hi, my name is Maria Jose Fernandez Arciniegas. Today I will talk about my travel itinerary. Duration of the trip. The Tayrona Park is located in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta, which allow us to enjoy an incredible rest and offers various activities such as hiking, diving, taste its gastronomy, culture, and finally its fauna and flora. Duration of the trip. The trip will have a duration of 3 days and 2 nights, in which you get to offer days of relaxation and fun to the fullest. Means of transportation. Transportation in air-conditioned vehicle to Tayrona with entrance fee included. Activities to do. 1. Welcome at the airport and transfer to the other, where you will find rooms with green jungle view, and you can take a swim in beach or pool. 2. Breakfast and start the trip at 7 a.m. to go to Tayrona, starting the walk through the jungle until you reach the different beaches where you can taste the crystal clear waters. A full day on foot where you can enjoy the lush forest, strong along pristine beaches, and savor traditional food. 3. Breakfast. We leave at 8 a.m. to visit the Tayrona, where you will walk through ecological trails, learn about traditions and lifestyles through a small museum located in the area. We arrive at Brava Beach. It is isolated in the middle of lush vegetation and is much quieter and serene. We can snorkel and eat grilled seafood. Cabo San Juan Beach, where young palm trees surround the shore for swimming and enjoying a traditional Caribbean lunch. Places to stay. Lodging in Maloca Cabin or Senda Water Pipe. Typical foods. The Maloca Hut or the Water Pipe Tray offer fresh and quality produce without neglecting the typical Caribbean food, such as seafood, natural juices, and coconut rice, and different drinks. Cost. The cost of the tourist package is the 1,196,000 pesos for each person. Thank you.